Hi, I'm Misha, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can start off your LLC with LegalZoom. I'm going to guide you in the steps required and the most affordable and the easiest method you can use to start up your LLC in any US state today. Now, before we dig into the steps to form your LLC, let's discuss what exactly is an LLC. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. It provides personal liability protection, which helps you build credibility with your customers and your investors. Aside from that, an LLC can also help you avoid tax pitfalls. LLCs have pass-through taxation, which means LLCs do not have to pay any corporate income taxes. If you want to learn more about LLC taxations, there are links in the description below. It's better to discuss your taxation options with your accountant and get a better idea of what's best for you. You can form your LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. The third method is to hire an attorney and file it for you. That's going to be a bit more expensive than the other 2 methods. So what is LegalZoom? LegalZoom is a popular online legal service that provides various tools and resources to assist in forming and managing businesses. With this user-friendly platform, LegalZoom simplifies creating and maintaining an LLC for entrepreneurs and small businesses. One of the key offerings of LegalZoom is its LLC formation service. Streamlining the process, they free up the time for business owners to focus on the aspects that is their company. Some of the essential features of their services include preparation of and filing articles of organization, operating agreement customization, EIN acquisition, compliance assistant to help maintain good standing with the state regulations. Currently, LegalZoom offers 3 LLC formation packages to cater to the client's various needs. These packages differ in pricing and the features they provide, which allows customers to choose the one that best suits their business needs. You can visit the links in the description below, or you can visit LLCBuddy.com/new to get the best deals at any given time. Apart from LLC formation services, LegalZoom also provides a wide array of other legal services such as trademark registration, copyright registration, patent services, estate planning, and legal advice. Now let's get started with the main formation steps that you must follow when you start your LLC. Now that you've decided to start your own LLC, you must get a unique business name. Having a business name is not very simple, as you must follow some regulations set by the federal and the state government. You can find the detailed naming guidelines at LLCBuddy.com/new. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you start to name your LLC is that number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business in that state can share that name. Each business name is unique to its owner. Number 2 is that LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business, which could be confusing or could be misleading. So terms like Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the state government are fulfilled. You can reserve your LLC name for a certain period of time if you're not ready to start off your LLC. Reserving your name prior to the LLC formation will buy you some time to hold your name, but you cannot hold it forever, so you must file your LLC within that time period by the given state. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. They're going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within that state. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You need to make sure that your registered agent of the state that you're willing to start your LLC in at least has a physical street address over there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services, like LegalZoom. Now, LegalZoom also provides the registered agent services, but at an additional cost. Coming over to a very key thing that you need to know when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having a legit one. Because in case of a lawsuit, or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes. The real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. And when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. And this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? This is why it's recommended to hire a professional registered agent who are expert in this field. LegalZoom offers the best trained agents for your LLC. Third important step to forming your LLC is to file a certificate of formation. Certificate of formation, also known as the Articles of Organization, is a legal document needed to register your business with the Secretary of State. It can be filed online or can be filed by mail. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, employee details, structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So LLCs with employees that have statewide separate rules to follow. I recommend you go through the regulations before hiring your employees in your LLC. This step is crucial and very sensitive. You cannot afford to make any mistakes, as it's going to result in a cancellation of the whole filing process. This is why it's better off that you get a professional service, because they provide experts and there's an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. I suggest using LegalZoom, because if you get stuck anywhere, they have a lifetime customer support for their clients, which is always available for them. This ensures any questions or any queries are always addressed on time, allowing them to focus on growing their business. Fourth step is preparing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital, as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a whole lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. Now, your state might not have strict rules about filing the operating agreement, but it is really very recommended to have one for the future of your LLC. If any day you want your LLC to be dissolved or to create a new member, manager, the operating agreement is the one that's going to save you from any legal issues. While LegalZoom provides access to operating agreement templates in its formation packages, they also offer an operating agreement preparation and review service for an additional fee. This service involves a LegalZoom attorney reviewing your operating agreement to ensure it's properly drafted and customized to your business needs. The last step is to obtain the EIN. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify types of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business out there. EIN is needed for when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. To obtain an EIN, all you have to do is fill out the form, which you can do online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You can easily avoid the complications of IRS website by getting the LLC formation package through LegalZoom. I'm going to be leaving the links to all of the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options are fitting your requirements. You can also check for the best deals at LLCBuddy.com/new. For now, I'm going to show you how you can file your forms using LegalZoom. From here, I'm going to demo you how you can actually use them to start and form your own LLC. First of all, you enter your business name. Select the state that you want to start it off in. We're going to go with Texas. Now, you need to give your email address and your phone number here, because that's the one they're going to use to contact you. Select the type of industry that you're working in. Now, you can choose whether you want registered agents, you want essential documents, or you want compliances put in there as well. You can choose to go for just an operating agreement. You can go for one with an EIN, and you can go for one which has both, and then it also provides you with more licenses. You can choose to file for compliance in here as well. You can select if you want any tax advisory there as well. There's 3 kinds. You have your simple tax advisory, you have your standard tax return and advisory, or you have complex tax returns and tax advisory. To select the one you want to go with. Now you can go for a legal protection plan for your company as well. Select if you want to have an expedited process, or if you just want to go with your normal standard waiting time. You can choose if you want to go for a founder's kit. What it does is that it helps your LLC keep up by having all of your vital business documents printed, and all of them are in one place. Check the bill and see if you missed out anything, or if you accidentally got something that you did not want. And from here, you can continue to the payment plan. And that's pretty much it. And all you need to set up your LLC wherever you want through LegalZoom. Now that you successfully created your LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the business permits and licenses based on the type of your business. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. Finally, you need to file the LLC annual report every single year. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how you can start off your LLC with LegalZoom. I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.